life in England. Right? So you guys on there, yeah. All right, bye-bye. Okay, that was in Crystal Palace shop. That's the front of the shop there. That was the official club. That was the official club. We just went inside the shop there of Crystal Palace. South London and proud. See it? Sorry, won't catch you, Sorry. No, I'm not catching you, sorry. So, this is in the glass case, yeah? That sweatsuit look alright. Official club shop. It's time for Crystal Palace to get a new stadium. Yeah, you guys need a bigger stadium and a modern stadium. Yeah, this stadium, which is behind the houses, you all need a new one. That's it there. We'll go out. By the time I get to Brixton today, I won't be able to get what I want. It's gonna be closed. It's going on 4 o'clock. I gotta get to Brixton. That's it. Crystal Palace. So here we go, look at these houses around Crystal Palace here. They look different. These are flats, Homecastle Estate agent. Look at these flats. Let's take a look at them properly. You got your parking underneath, but look at them. These are people home. They look very small though. So here we are in Croydon, Lewisham, Sydenham. We're all over the place. All over the place, that's where we are. Look at those houses over there. So yeah, we make a circle around. We went around and now we are back on this side. Let's see what we can see over here. What can we see over this side? This is part of the stadium, but not much around here either. So we have done it. We have circled Crystal Palace. And we are coming down. Crystal Palace Stadium right over there. That's it there. Okay, so with that said and that done, we are going to pause and we are going to head to Brixton. God bless you. Peace. This is Mr. X, live in England, coming to you from Crystal Palace football ground. So listen, have a blessed day while we head out to Brixton. I may do a drive-by because I don't have any drive-by of Crystal Palace and Croydon and Sydenham. So let's go do a drive-by. God bless you and have a wonderful Monday, the 9th of February 2025. This is Mr. X, live in England, and I'm out. Peace. What that under my nose? No, my mouth starch, man.